Hi, my name is Kelly Kirby and my topic is Oklahoma, the Oklahoma State Courts. Oklahoma became a state in November of 1907 and established their state constitution, which was enacted in 1908. Article 7 actually establishes the judicial system for the state. Article 7, Section 6 gives the Supreme Court the general administrative authority over all the courts in the state. In the 1960s, the court system was riddled with scandal, and based on recommendations from law professors and the American and Oklahoma Bar Association, reforms were put into place in 1967. They wanted to actually mirror the national standard, but they retained some of the uniqueness from the Oklahoma court system. We actually have two courts of last resort. It's three-tiered. There is the Supreme Court, then the Court of Criminal Appeals, and the Court of Civil Appeals. The Supreme Court has 9 justices. Initially in the 1908, they set for 5 justices, but it was raised to 9 in 1918. The state is divided up into 9 districts, and each district has a judge that is elected to the Supreme Court. They serve a term of 6 years. When there's a vacancy, the Judicial Nominating Committee submits a list of names to the governor, and then the governor appoints someone to sit in that vacancy. The courts of general jurisdiction are the district or trial courts. The state is divided up into 26 districts with 77 counties, and each district has its own court procedural local rules. For instance, if you wanted to file a withdrawal in the county of Tulsa, you used local rule 12 to file that. If you wanted to file the withdrawal in Rogers County, which is right next door in Claremore, 30 miles away, you have to use local rule 1.10 when you're filing that withdrawal. There are 75 district judges, 77 associate judges, and 89 special judges. The district and associate judges are elected in district elections. They serve a term of 4 years. The special judges are appointed by previous judges. The bottom tier are the courts of limited jurisdiction. They are the Workers' Compensation Court of Existing Claims, the Court of Tax Review, Municipal Court Not of Record, and Municipal Criminal Court of Records. The Municipal Court Not of Record appeals directly to the District Court, which then goes to the Oklahoma Supreme Court. The Municipal Criminal Court of Record appeals directly to the Court of Criminal Appeals. The Court of Tax Review and the Workers' Compensation Court appeal to the Supreme Court. Once a case goes to the Supreme Court, then the Chief Justice decides which court it's going to go to, whether it's the Court of Civil Appeals or the Court of Criminal Appeals. There's a flow chart here that outlines it out. Okay, that's the court system in Oklahoma. You can find out all this information on the website for the Oklahoma Historical Society or the Almanac of Oklahoma Politics that is published by the University of Oklahoma. There's an article called The Oklahoma Judiciary that was written by Leslie McCullum in 1998. Or you can go to oscn.net. There is information. If you click on the Courts tab, there are some PDFs that will give you everything you ever wanted to know about Oklahoma. Thank you.